what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Mario Armstrong, digital lifestyle expert, and it's festive around here. As you can see, I got what's hot this holiday, and I'm hooking you up because I'm working with some great brands that will definitely have some gift ideas for someone on your list. A smart home gift for either homeowners or renters is the Ring Security Essentials Bundle. Now, this comes with a second-generation Ring video doorbell and indoor cam, so you can know what's happening inside and outside your home. Both feature motion detection, two-way talk, so you can see, hear, and speak to visitors at your front door from anywhere, by the way, and you can get the whole picture in any indoor room. Now, look, you know I love deals, so get 50% off at only $79.99 this Black Friday and Cyber Monday. To find out more and to buy, just visit ring.com. Star Trek fans and collectors will love getting Star Trek, the Picard Legacy Collection. This is for real for the Trekkies. It's available now from Paramount Home Entertainment. The limited edition, individually numbered Blu-ray collection comes with 54 discs, and it features one-of-a-kind packaging that houses every series and film featuring Jean-Luc Picard. It also includes over 35 hours of special features, exclusive collectibles, and more. You can find this on Amazon.com. If you want to gift an experience this year, Rosetta Stone. It's a great gift to learn a new language, especially for friends or family that love to travel, or maybe you're trying to get back to your roots, or maybe you're just looking for a new hobby to get that brain going and doing something different. You'll get bite-sized lessons with interactive activities, real-life scenarios that will prepare you for actual conversations. That's really cool. And their lifetime subscription gives access to all 25 of their languages forever. To get their Black Friday deal, just go to rosettastone.com/holiday sale. Buy it for only $149. By the way, that's their best price of the year. Now, for the techie needing a reliable laptop, the Microsoft Surface Laptop 5 will be a hit this year, people. It's perfect for students or professionals. It's beautiful, thin, lightweight, so it's great for traveling on the go. Exceptional picture quality, great sound, enhanced cameras. And if that's not enough, I love the fact that the battery lasts all day. Thank you. Not running around looking for power outlets. And if you need more tech or gamer gifts, visit Microsoft Store. You'll get deals all season. Free 2 to 3 day shipping, flexible payment options, free personal shopping appointments, and a lot more. To find out more, just visit Microsoft.com. For the gamers this season, get them the Xbox Series S Starter Bundle. This bundle is it, family. I'm telling you, it includes the Series S console and 3 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. That's important because that means they can start playing hundreds of great games right out of the box the minute they open it. By the way, this will include some of the biggest games of the year. It is truly the one console with everything you need for the entire family. Plus, this holiday, you can save $50 when you buy it from November 18th through the 27th, making it only $249.99. That's a great deal. Just head to xbox.com to find out more. If you want to find more info on everything I covered, including links, just visit inthenews.tv or find us on Instagram @inthenewstv. And happy holidays to you and your family.